So many men are so stupid about this whole relationship thing and getting girls. You guys are such amateurs, it's hilarious. I spent a lot of time learning this shit and I was natural at it. But I just want to give you a really massive piece of advice because I had a friend of mine recently who's really struggling with the dating scene and he's completely closing down as a person because of it. He's taken this shit way too seriously. But he's got to the point now where he's like pissed off and miserable because he's not like getting enough matches and he can't get hot girls. So let me just put it to you like this, you bloody fools. You can't expect every woman to love you and to want to be with you and to be receptive to you when you approach. So no matter how good your approach is, no matter how good you are with chicks, no matter how good looking you are, no matter how much money you are, it doesn't matter who the fuck you are. Well, actually, it does. If you're Leonardo DiCaprio or Brad Pitt, then you've got a massive advantage. So if you're talking, you have that level of status, like elite status, then sure, the chances of her turning you down is very slim. However, if you are like every other member of society, and it doesn't matter, bro, you could be 6 foot. I mean, I'm 6 foot. You could be beautiful, 6 foot, have money, have a fat watch on, get out of a Ferrari, have some great style, have really cool, calming energy, and your ass still gets turned down. Because she's a woman, bro. She's got mad emotions. She's fucking wavering. You don't know what's going on with her that day. You don't know what's going through her mind. She's got a billion things going through her mind. Her situation is so complicated that you don't know what the hell's going on. So don't take these girls seriously, bro. Like the amount of times I've been rejected by girls, I've approached so smoothly, I've approached so nicely. I've been the man of the night. I've had the best table in the house. I've looked probably the best person on the night in terms of like, you know, attraction levels and handsomeness. And still the girl will be like, not interested, sorry, no, not tonight, get rejected, get rude. You just got to be like calm about it and be like, all right, cool, got to keep playing the game, got to understand this is how the game basically works. And this is going to happen to me. It's a numbers game. And you've got to not take it too seriously. You got to be very kind of smooth in your rejection and understand that women go through a billion different things in their mind. So they're constantly, you know, they've constantly got something in the back of their mind, their ex-boyfriend, some troubles they're going through. You look like someone they don't like. You look like someone they do like. And she recognizes you from before, or she's like, oh, this guy looks like my ex. No, I don't want someone like that. Oh, this guy's got this color eyes, and I read in a book that these color eyes are evil. Or, oh, this guy is holding a drink with his left hand. He drinks. He's probably a drunk. She could be thinking a million different things, bro. Literally a million different things. So who cares, bro? Like that's how I approach this shit now. I'm rolling in. I've got some banging girls on my roster right now. One that I'm interested in. Banging girls, gorgeous models, unbelievable how fit they are. And there's other girls that I really like that I've lost in the past. So what? Peace out. Don't give a shit. Your loss. I got the money, I got the looks, I got the power, I got the contacts. What the fuck do you have, love? Go find someone else. Good luck. Cool. Not interested, don't like me, don't like my vibe. Peace. Peace out. Have a lovely evening. Don't be rude. Be nice. Let it slide off. So, you know, I wish my friend could hear this. I'm kind of leaving him alone at the moment because I don't want to like press him about this. I just want to leave him and just give him time, because sometimes you don't just want to keep pressing the same message down someone's throat. You got to give them some time to process it themselves. And when they're ready, they come back to the game and come back to the fight and come back to the battlefield and pick up that sword again. So not every girl's going to like you. Play it smooth. Just be cool. Some people are going to like your vibe. Some people are not going to like your vibe. Play with the people that like your vibe. Work off that. And don't play with the girls that just give you a hard time and that don't respond to you. I've got one girl at the moment. She's super bloody hot. I met her on the street. I walked up to her about 3 weeks ago. And, you know, this girl just gives me bland responses. Oh, I'm working. I'm busy. I'm this. I'm that. All right, whatever then. Like, okay, I tried again today to throw out a last-ditch effort because she does respond, but she's responding very cold and dry and not showing me much interest. And I don't care because I've got other hot girls anyway. But she's like, obviously, she's absolutely insane. She's a banger. I think she might be an OnlyFans model, to be honest, which is not my style of woman to wife up, but definitely fun for a night or for a coffee or for a session. And she's giving me boring answers. So I know eventually she's not my type of chick. I'm going to have to walk away from her. She's not that interested. I might not be her type of guy. Cool. Peace. No problem. She's probably got a million things going on. Maybe her pimp has got her under a certain level of control. Who knows? So take it easy, man. Be cool. It's Friday. It's the weekend. Go out there, talk to girls, be a vibe. Just have nice energy about you. Be a man. Take it easy. Take rejection calmly and keep going and find someone that fits your vibe, because not everyone will fit your vibe, and that's absolutely okay.